Today we are seeing second video of probability, and today we are going to see a topic on cards, how to do questions on cards and how many cards are there, how to pick, how the question will be asked. Today we will see. Okay, right? Pack of cards consists of 52 cards. So every pack or set or deck also sometimes question is a deck of cards. Deck means 52 cards. In a set of cards, there will be 52. Okay, so 52 cards will be there. In 52 cards, they are divided into two colors. One is red, another is black. Okay. So in black there are two types. In red also there are two types. Here you have spades and one more is clubs. Here you have diamonds. One more. Heartings. So these are four types of cards are available. Now clubs and spade are black, remaining two are red colors. Now 52 cards are divided into four equal parts. So 52 by 4 how much is 13. 52 is divided into 4 equal parts, that is 13. So each type cards are 13. Each type cards are 13. Okay. In 13 cards, there are numbers. First, number cards. Number cards are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are number cards. How many number cards are there here total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 number cards. So 9 completed. Total number of cards how many? 13. So still 4 cards left. What are they? Is Jack, Kings, Queens and Ace. Ace. These 4 cards are letter cards. These 4 cards are letter cards. In these 4 cards, J, K, Q, these 3 cards will contain face. Okay, there will be face on these 3 cards. Jack face, King face and Queen face. 3 faces are there. So these 3 are called as face cards. Okay. So these are letter cards or picture cards. These are face cards. Face cards are only 3. Okay. Letter cards are 4. Now total number of cards how many are? Is 13. So these are 4 and number cards are 4. All these will be repeated in each type. So there will be 13 here, 13 here, 13 here, 13 here. Now one king will be here, one king will be here, one king will be here, one king will be here. Total how many kings will be there? 4 kings. How many tens will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens will be there. Now how many black tens will be there? Here one, here one. Total 2 black tens, 2 red tens. So each color will be 2 types. Each color will be means 2 cards will be there. 10 cards are 2 black, 2 red. So total 10 cards are 4. Whatever card you take will be repeated 4 times. If you divide color wise, it will be only 2. So 2 black cards, 2 red cards. Okay. Now questions will be asked like this. What is the probability of picking a king in a deck of cards? How many kings are there? 4 kings. 1, 2, 3, 4. Probability of getting king. How many kings are there total? 4 by 50. So answer is 1 by 30. What is the probability of not picking a king? So king should not come, remaining one should come. If you remove king, how many are there? 48 cards. So that is P of not picking a king. It's complementary. Okay. So 4, remove 4 from 52. What you will get is 48 by 52. You can simplify it 12 by 13. Questions, few questions we will ask. If kings are removed, if all the kings are removed, or all the letter cards are removed, what is the probability of getting king? What is the probability of getting king? Now, question says all letter cards are removed, so these are all not there. Okay, these are all not there. How many not there? See here. Each card is up to 4 times now. 4 into 4. These are 4 cards into 4 times. That is 16 cards not there. 4 into 4, 16. Okay. These 16 cards are removed. 52 minus 16. How much? 36. Now what is the probability of picking a king? Can we pick a king? No, we cannot pick a king because it is not there. So you will get 0 by, when you are writing, how many cards are there here? Only 36. Should not write 52. Don't be confused. Because 16 cards are removed. How many cards are there? 36. 0 by 36. This table is very important to you. Please pause and note down. Okay, this is a diagram. If you note down, you will understand clearly. See here 13 will be there, here also 13, here also 13, here also 13. Okay, 13, 13, 13, 13. Each type will be of 4 types. Any question can be asked on these cards. So this is a very easy question if you understand how the cards are there. Okay, how the cards are. This you have to understand first. If you can understand this, any question you can answer easily. What is the probability of getting red king or red 10? How many 10s are there? Total 4 10s. But how many red 10s are there? Only 2. 2 red 10s are there. So 2 by 52. Okay. This is very important question. Every time question on cards will be given to you. Okay. Very important. Please practice questions on this seriously. Next, I will go to another topic which is last in this. So children, I have a question here now. I will read out for you. I think you can see it clearly, no, but I will read again. A bag contains 10 red balls. A bag contains 10 red balls and some blue balls. So blue balls were not given. Only red balls were given. If the probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of a red ball, find the number of blue balls. This is very important question on application based. Okay, this is the last type of questions. I will solve this for you, and remaining questions based on this as in worksheet also. Based on this question, 1 or 2 questions given. Very important. Solve those. Okay. So I will solve this for you. Now, first we will write given data. So what is given? Whenever we have a word problem, you must write given. So given, a bag contains 10 red balls. Number of red balls equals to 10. Some blue balls given. So let us assume. Let number of blue balls be there are X red balls. Now, what is saying? If the probability of drawing a blue ball, first we will say probability of blue ball. Okay, probability of blue ball. What is the probability of blue ball? How many blue balls are there? We have X blue balls are there. So we will write X. By total balls, how many? X plus 10. X plus 10. Why we are there? The sum of all balls. X plus 10. Next is double that of a red ball. We have to find probability of red ball. Probability of red ball. Probability of red ball how much? Red balls we know how many? 10. So 10 by X plus 10. Now read this statement again. If the probability of drawing a blue ball is double, so probability of drawing a blue ball is double. So this is greater. P of blue ball is 2 times, right? 2 into probability of red ball. This is what the question is. This is the condition given. Probability of drawing a blue ball. Probability of drawing a blue ball is 2 times. Is double. Double is nothing but 2 times. So twice probability of a red ball. Just substitute value. So probability of blue ball, how much we got here? X by X plus 10 is 2 times red ball. This is 2 into 10 by X plus 10. See here both the denominators are same. So you can strike off. So X value how much now? 20. X value is 20. Then how many blue balls are there? What is X? Is blue ball. So number of blue balls are 20. Number of blue balls are number of blue balls are 20. Okay. Now, one more questions also he will ask based on the concept like this. What is the range of probability? What is the range of probability? What is the minimum probability we can have is 0. What is the greatest probability we can have is 1. So probability is from 0 to 1. From 0 to 1. If it is 0, impossible event. If it is 1, it is sure event. Okay. So range of probability will be like this. 0 is less than or equals to P of P is less than or equals to 1. So this is the condition for probability. It can be 0 or it can be 1 also. If 0, it is impossible event. If it is 1, it is sure event or certain event. It is very important. You can note down. Questions will be asked on this. So this is your concept. And one more video I will do on the last class. This is your concept of probability, and these are the questions can be asked in probability. Hope you understood it. We will meet you in next class with coordinate geometry. Take care, children. Have a good day.